So I've really been getting into hiking lately, and I think it's about time that I up my game. So I'm going to try and complete one of my bucket list items in the nature category, which is hiking every trail at a state park. I'm gonna do the First Landing State Park just because it's closest. It's really beautiful. I love hiking there. And I'm very, like, I only do one trail when I go there. So I'm gonna try to, like, get out of my comfort zone and try to hike all of them, which is gonna be a lot because one of them ends up being, like, I think 13 miles or something crazy. I've never hiked that far, like, not even close. So I'm probably gonna do this in 3 parts. Otherwise, it would take me, like, 5 months to upload one video, and it might be, like, really long. So, yep, I hope you guys enjoy. So here's the trail guide, and I just talked to the lady in there, and she was really nice, and she kind of walked me through. So here are all the trails. So you have all of these, and today I'm doing the Bald Cypress, which is right here, and it loops around, so that'll be a pretty easy one, like 2 miles. Trying to start with the easiest and end up with the longest, which would probably be the Cape Henry, which altogether will probably be 12 miles. So, just stopped to take out my soda. Need to be caffeinated at all times. so this is me the day after the second hike, and I woke up this morning with really bad pain in my leg, and I think that I must have messed it up somehow. There were a lot of roots on that trail, so I stumbled a few times over a couple of them, so I think that might have been what it is. So just wanted to kind of put a little warning out there that if you're going to do that trail, be careful. There's a lot of roots.